Welcome to build a full-stack e-commerce application using React, Node, and MongoDB. This course is packed with all the essential features that you would expect to have in a real-world e-commerce application. So if you have some basic understanding of React and Node, then you can enroll into this course and become an intermediate level full-stack JavaScript developer. So here I'm going to show you some of the course highlights. So this course has a lot of features such as search products based on a particular category, new arrivals, best sellers, product image, product information, product in stock, out of stock, view product, related product, add to cart, remove product, adjust the quantity from the cart, use dashboard, use your product cart, checkout with credit card and PayPal, checkout with delivery address. They will be able to update their own profile. This application will have the advanced search of products as well as advanced search based on category and price range. And they'll be able to load more products. And we will also have the admin dashboard. Admin will be able to create a category, create a product, update the product, view the orders, manage the products, do the usual CRUD operations, and role-based routing system, so private routing and admin routing in the front end. So it has a lot of great features. And one more great news, that is each lecture of this course has the source code, so you never get stuck. So this is a great project and super useful for the real world use case as well, because we will be using Braintree to integrate payment system, which is one of the best I can think of. So let's go ahead, let's start building this e-commerce application. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.